Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fully optimize your HyperX Cloud 3 for better audio quality, EQ, mic gain, and noise reduction in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to open the settings of your PC. So for that, you just have to either right click on the taskbar, then select the option of taskbar settings, or you can also press Windows plus I on your keyboard in order to open the settings of your PC. Now over here, click on the option of system, then select the option of sound. Here you need to set your headset as default input device and default output device. This ensures proper routing for both the audio and the mic. After doing this, you need to open the HyperEngineity application. Now here you need to select your headset and turn on the 7.1 surround sound. Now this improves directional audio for gaming. Now in the Engineity software, you can also make adjustments into the equalizers, like you can just take a look at the slight boost in the low frequencies for bass, keep the mid frequencies neutral for voice clarity, and slight boost in the high frequencies for details. This creates a clean and immersive sound profile. Now in the sound settings of your device, make sure that the input level is between 80 to 100%. Then in Engineity, you can also adjust the mic gain so that your voice is clear here as well and it is not distorted. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.